What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Small Feet Big Heat video every day in August. If you haven't already, check out the video every day in August playlist on my channel. It has all the videos that we've done so far, and subscribe so that you don't miss any of the daily content for the rest of the month. But today we are just gonna do a small mail time type segment. I got 2 packages here and I'm pretty excited to open them, so let's jump right into that. I want to do this first one first. This is from FTP. Let me just cover up my address. See that? FTP. And I want to open this one first because this one is gonna help us open the next one. Alright, so let's jump right in. I got this from the most recent FTP drop, and I'm pretty sure you can already guess what it is. It is the FTP box cutter. By the time I got on the website, a lot of the shirts that I would have wanted was sold out, but I saw this and I had to get it, especially with the like couple little details that are on it. I'll show it to you guys. So it says FTP box cutter. I like this little piece right here that says will cut through anything. I don't know, it's funny to me. But here's the box cutter, and this is going to be my from now on unboxing box cutter. So a rite of passage, I feel like, amongst YouTubers. And it says aim for the neck. Yeah, so it says aim for the neck, which I think is pretty cool. Let me figure out how to get this open without cutting my hand off, and then I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so I figured it out, guys. It's got like a little locking mechanism here, so you unscrew it a bit and then the blade is like free to move around. And then for safety, you can lock it back, just screw it back, and it can no longer move. So that is just a cool little pickup. So I'm gonna open up the box cutter. Let's unscrew it one more time. And now we can unbox our next package, which is from I don't know if he considers himself a clothing designer, graphic designer, but he makes a couple shirts like every now and then. And I saw, oh wow, that's like cutting through super smooth. We're gonna have to be careful with the unboxings from now on. But I saw a couple of pieces that he did, and this one was really dope. So I followed him and I waited and waited and waited for it to restock. And he finally put it back on the site. His name's Ermsey. I don't know if some of you guys have heard of him. Maybe, maybe not. But he makes these shirts, which is like an adult take on like childhood cartoons. And I'm gonna just let that focus so you guys can just see Winnie the Pooh laying on that skateboard. And then it says, take it easy. But on the back is where the money is. The back is what makes this shirt worth it. So we've got Winnie the Pooh pouring honey all over Betty Boop in a compromising, if you will, situation. And I just thought that was dope. It was a piece that I wanted. I can't wait to wear it. And that was it. That was my 2 small unboxings that I had for you guys today. I will see you same time, same place tomorrow.